Kiki，
If you're hungry and you know it, say meow. You're hungry and you know it, say meow. If you're hungry and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you're hungry and you know it, say meow. So my cat thinks she's doing this.
Either this is like a video game for them or like casino slots. Who knows? And they're actually convinced that if they try to get the mouse on the screen, that they're looking behind the tablet. They think that the mouse is behind the tablet. That's so cute and funny.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow. Ooh, what's going on?
Oh, you almost got him.
Yeah, it is getting kind of late. Maybe you ought to leave. Okay. Nighty night.
Kitty, what are you doing?
Yeah, it was a little tighter than that. You're right.
The cat just ain't right. Kitty, you like that? Come on. You gonna speed up? Oh, you're so cute. She's trying to kill him.
Our embarrassing loss to Joe and Bonnie in Celebrity.
All right, fine. Next picture. What? You don't know who he is, even? Go out or scream at him that he should know. This guy was in a movie once. That means we need to put a big head on Mount Rushmore.
You watch that. I'll take care of him.
Hospital beds into ICU beds. We have to make whole hospitals into intensive care units to get through these next weeks. That's how dire, that's how tough this situation is. If we're going to turn a hospital, we think of Bellevue, think of NYU Langone, you go by these huge buildings there.
those claws. You get those claws. You get them. You stop them. Good job.
Get away! Oh my god.
How about having Howie carry you up the stairs? Yeah, it would be so horrible if he fell again, and I think that Mitch feels that being carried is too demeaning, but I'm not.
What did you want? Are you supposed to be doing that? A little fun?
I can do this one, right?
Hold on, I'm recording.
Do it. You're fine.
What are you doing? Athena?
Vet, so I called the vet, and I was like, hey, I got a schedule. And they were like, okay, cool, just come on down. And I was like, well, shoot, we need a schedule, right? He's like, nah, we're open.
Ha 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 ha!